Everyone, I'm Abhi. I'm currently working in I4 Consultancy, which is functioning on various technologies like .NET, PHP, mobile application, etc. Today, I'll be explaining you ISO 27001 Control A11, and that is physical and environmental security. Topics that will be covered during this video are A11, and that is physical and environmental security, which includes A11.1 and A11.2. Now, A11.1 is secure areas and 11.2, that is equipment. That is physical and environmental security, and the objective of this A11 is to prevent loss, damage, theft or compromise of assets and interruption to the organization's operations. Talk about this 11.2. Now this A11.2 includes A11 2.1, and that is equipment, siting and protection. A11.2.2, that is supporting utilities. A11.2.3, that is cabling security. A11.2.4, that is equipment maintenance. A11.2.5, that is removal, which also includes A11.2.6, that is security of equipment and assets of premises. A11.2.7, that is secure disposal or reuse of equipment. Now A11.2.8, that is unattended user equipment. A11.2.9, that is clear desk and clear screen. Now let's continue with this A11.2. Now the first one is A11.2.1, that is equipment, siting and protection. Now, and the control of this 11.2.1 is equipment shall be sited and protected to reduce the risk from environmental threats and hazards and opportunity for unauthorized access. A11.2.2, that is supporting utilities. Control, and that is equipment shall be protected from power failures and other disruption caused by failures in supporting utilities. Now A11.2.3, that is cabling security. Control, power and telecommunications cabling carrying data or supporting information services shall be protected from interception, interference or damage. 11.2.3, that is equipment maintenance. Control, equipment shall be correctly maintained to ensure its continued availability and integrity. A11.2.5, and that is removal of assets. Equipment, information of software shall not be taken off-site without prior authorization. A11.2.6, that is security of equipment and asset of premises. Control, security shall be applied to offsite assets taking into account the different risk of working outside the organization's premises. A11.2.7, that is secure disposal or reuse of equipment. Control, all items of equipment containing storage media shall be verified to ensure that any sensitive data and licensed software has been removed or securely overwritten prior to disposal or reuse. A11.2.8, that is unattended user equipment. Control, user shall ensure that unattended equipment has appropriate. A11.2.9, that is clear desk and clear screen policy. control. A clear desk policy for papers and removable storage media and a clear screen policy for information processing facilities shall be adopted. Now references that I have used during creation of these videos are like this. For more details, you can visit these websites, that is www.i4-consultancy.com, and another one is www.i4technolab.com. Thank you.